I'm in the first person. What the heck? I'm in first person. Why? I'm in first person. So I'm not in the first person. Okay. So done. Okay.